This is a frying machine. And this is a before.
Yes.
See?
See.
This is a very dirty. This is a kind of oil.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
This before. And this is a 1 year and 5 months no clean. And after
clean. Look.
See.
Look. After clean.
Same like a brand new.
Yeah.
Huh? See? Very easy. Use hot water and then you put little bit of vinegar and see, it's very clean. Very easy. This frying man, Junaid. Junaid? No problem. It's tutorial eh. Oh, see? Put in the water. Very clean now.
Show me. Yeah, I know. This is Fryman. This movie is fake. Mr. Annie and
Why, Junaid? You show your face because this is a tutorial of Facebook. Oh, see? He's dancing. This is an Indian dance. Okay. See? This now these are very clean. See? Now very clean. And this before very dirty, oh.
there.
Okay.